How to use an Apple gift card on Roblox. So what we want to do is first close out of Roblox if you have it open, and we will go into the App Store here. So just click on the App Store, and from the App Store we want to select our profile icon in the top right corner. Just click on it and you will see an option here to redeem a gift card or code. Just click on this option, redeem gift card or code, and you can use your camera to scan it, or you can manually enter it. So I'm just going to click on enter manually here, the second option, and type out your code right here. So after you have typed out your code, you want to click on redeem, and once you have redeemed it, then what we will do is go to Roblox, just open it up, and we will purchase the Robux as we would normally. We will click on the Robux icon, then we will select the amount which we want to purchase, and it's going to show us how much it costs. Just click on it, and then we will use the balance in our Apple account to make the purchase for this Roblox. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.